Welcome to Essential Dialogues. The Ethiopian Security Exchange, or ESX, has just received its final license from the Ethiopian Capital Markets Authority. This launch marks the dawn of Ethiopia's first-ever capital market, a significant development poised to reshape the country's economic landscape. To grasp the potential of this event, we need to understand Ethiopia's current economic situation. The nation, with its population exceeding 120 million, faces the daunting task of funding crucial infrastructure projects. We're talking about roads, energy, and housing necessities that demand trillions of birr annually. Traditionally, Ethiopia has relied heavily on foreign borrowing to finance these projects. However, this approach carries inherent risks, particularly the burden of repaying debts in foreign currencies. This can strain a developing economy like Ethiopia's. Domestic resources like loans and taxes, while important, fall short of meeting the surging demand for funding. This is where the ESX steps in presenting an alternative avenue for funding. It establishes a platform where individuals and institutions can invest their capital in potential growth areas within Ethiopia. This benefits both the investors and the nation, as the invested capital contributes directly to national development. The launch of the ESX aligns perfectly with Ethiopia's recent wave of economic reforms, most notably the July 2024 macroeconomy reform. This reform package, designed to liberalize the finance sector and fuel economic growth, introduced a floating foreign exchange market. This move, initially met with some apprehension, has proven successful, suggesting that other well-structured reforms could positively impact Ethiopia's economic trajectory. The establishment of a capital market is one such reform, and the licensing of the ESX signifies a critical step in this process. Over the past 5 years, the groundwork has been meticulously laid, including the creation of the Ethiopian Capital Market Authority to regulate the sector. Now equipped with the necessary regulatory framework and institutions, Ethiopia is ready to witness the operation of its first securities exchange market. The ESX offers a substantial opportunity for the private sector. By effectively connecting those with capital to those requiring it, the ESX facilitates investment and growth. To illustrate the potential, consider this. There are already an estimated 400,000 shareholders within the banking sector in Ethiopia. That represents over 500 million securities or shares. In recent years, the trading of these securities has amounted to an average of 2 to 3 billion birrs annually. The ESX aims not only to bring this existing trading volume into a more formal and regulated market, but also to enhance efficiency. The vision is to streamline the buying and selling of securities, making it as straightforward as a phone call, a text message, or even a mobile app transaction. With the ESX now operational, it's crucial for companies, particularly those in the private sector, to seize this new opportunity. The potential benefits are twofold: individual company growth and contributions to the broader national economy. To ensure its success, the ESX should draw upon the experiences of other countries with comparable economic structures and stages of development. By studying and adapting successful models, the ESS can effectively address potential challenges and encourage robust private sector participation. Early and proactive efforts are essential to ensure a smooth launch and continued progress for this nascent capital market. Experience has shown that the introduction of new policies can often lead to confusion or skepticism among the public. It is therefore imperative for the ESX to anticipate and mitigate these potential hurdles. Open communication, public education initiatives, and a demonstrably fair and transparent operating framework will be key to building trust and fostering wider acceptance of this new financial landscape. Ethiopia's entry into the world of capital markets with the launch of the ESX represents a promising step towards a more diversified and dynamic economy. The success of this venture hinges on several factors, including proactive engagement from the private sector, effective regulatory oversight by the Ethiopian Capital Markets Authority, and a commitment to learning from the experiences of other countries that have successfully navigated the complexities of establishing a capital market. While the journey ahead may present challenges, the potential rewards for Ethiopia's economic growth and the well-being of its citizens make this an exciting development to observe. The ESX stands as a symbol of Ethiopia's commitment to economic reform and its aspiration to create a more prosperous future for its people. This is just the beginning for Ethiopia's capital market. It will be fascinating to witness how this new financial landscape unfolds and the impact it will have on the country's economic growth and the lives of its citizens. Only time will tell what the ultimate outcome will be, but the potential for positive change is undeniable. The ultimate success of the ESX will depend on its ability to attract a diverse range of investors, both domestic and international. Creating an environment of trust and transparency will be essential to encouraging participation from all sectors of society. The ESX represents more than just a new trading platform. It symbolizes Ethiopia's ambition to integrate itself into the global financial system and to unlock the potential of its economy. The journey ahead will undoubtedly be filled with both opportunities and obstacles. However, the launch of the ESX marks a pivotal moment in Ethiopia's economic history, one that holds the promise of a brighter future for its citizens. Thank you for tuning in to Essential Dialogues. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Essential Dialogues podcast for more deep dives into important topics shaping our world.